In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings. Then scroll down and click on Privacy section. Following that, you need to click on Permission Manager and tap on one of those devices options. I will go with Calendar. Now you need to click on one of your apps under one of those sections. Allow, Denied, or in some cases, like Camera, Allowed only while in use. Either way, click on one of those apps and tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one. Ask each time Allow only while in use or Deny. I will go with Allow only while in use, so when I tap and go back, HUAWEI Health app just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always tap on any of those apps and click on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!